let's look at page E24. I know for this section that there is a main idea that I should be focusing on, that forces can change an object's motion. Forces, which we learned are pushes and pulls, can change an object's motion or the way that it's moving. So that makes sense to me because when I push an object, I can cause it to move or I can cause motion. If I look at my heading, it says, what causes a change in motion? So I know I'm going to be learning about what is causing this movement. And if I look at some pictures at the bottom of the page, I can see two students that are playing tug of war. Here there are equal forces, there's no motion. The starting line for the middle of the rope is exactly where it still is, so there has been no motion. Now let's look at the bottom picture. I have two students pulling on one side and one on the other. I can see the starting line and the rope are not lined up. So there are unequal forces. She is not pulling as hard as these two students. So there is motion. The motion is that the rope has gone toward the right, toward the two boys that are pulling harder. So let's read page E24 together. What causes a change in motion? When each person pulls on the rope, each applies a force. When the forces are equal or balanced, there is no change in motion and the flag stays at rest. What if one person pulls harder on the end of the rope? The forces are now unequal or unbalanced. The flag moves to one side of the marker. The flag is moving in the bottom picture.